Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove transitions between videos inside of CapCut. So this is a really short and simple tutorial that I'm going to do for you and I'm going to demonstrate for you. And as you can see in our timeline, we currently have a transition. We have two clips and a transition effect in between them. So to quickly remove a transition, all we have to do is click on the transition icon or transition box in our timeline and make sure that it's selected. And then we can either click on this icon right here, the delete icon, or we can press backspace or delete on our keyboards. So I'm going to press backspace, and as you can see, it's being deleted. I'm going to press Ctrl C and do the same thing again, this time pressing delete, and it's pretty much the same outcome. One last time, this time by clicking on the icon, and there you go. So usually I like to use the keyboard shortcut because it saves me a lot of time and I'm very used to it. And especially if you're working on larger projects, the few seconds that you save by not having to move your mouse to this icon and clicking it definitely does add. So that's going to be it for this video. Very short, very simple, and easy to follow. I hope I was able to teach you something new, something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.